The thing is, I just love seafood, and these garlic and chili prawns are just... To melted butter, you want to go in with some finely chopped shallots. I know they don't look very fine, but you want to go in with some chopped shallots. Then I'm just going to let that toast off for a bit before going in with my garlic. Now I'm using about 4 to 5 big cloves of garlic. I just put them in my garlic crusher and just crush them. Saute this for about a minute or so, then go in with my fresh thyme and also a whole chopped fresh chili and also some chili flakes. If you want this a little bit more spicy, add more. If you want it less, add less. You don't even have to put it in there, but you know the objective of this thing is garlic and chili. So go in with your prawns, and I'm going to season this with my fish tea mix, just the powder. You know the drill. Get a strainer, strain off the noodles and just incorporate all that powder. Just give it a good mix so that that seasoning can just distribute all over these delicious looking prawns. Then I'm going to cover my pot for about a minute. Now this will just start getting the juices going from the prawns. Now after I've done this, I went in, I would say with a, you know what, a little tubs of water. When I say a little tubs of water, I mean literally about 1/4 cup or less. Just a little bit of water, because the prawns will just trump its own, make its own water. It's from the sea, obviously enough water in it. So you don't want to go in with too much, because you don't want them swimming in liquid. I'm gonna add a little bit of butter and cover this for about 4 minutes. After this time, as you can see, we have a lot of liquid going on. I'm going with some chopped scallion, the green part, spring onion, scallion, whatever you call it, also some parsley, and then also I'm going to go in with some more fresh chilies. Now that sauce is just wow. Get you a piece of bread, piece of naan bread, piece of garlic bread. You don't even want no more garlic. Piece of pita bread and just mop up the whole of that sauce. Toast some fresh sourdough, like baby, it's so nice. And that's it. Simple but just delicious garlic and chili prawns are ready. Now you want to go in and take out, you know, the thyme, because you don't want to be eating that. And I did go in with another helping of freshly chopped chilies, and there you are, prawns ready.